Welcome to Inspiring Inputs. I hope these quotes about positivity will help you get through anything. Stay inspired, stay blessed, stay with Inspiring Inputs. Every person has something meaningful to say in the conversation of life. Everything we feel deeply must be expressed. Find a way to express what moves you. Express yourself in any way possible. Be free and express yourself. Do what comes naturally. Express yourself. Don't repress yourself. You have got to express yourself in life, and it is better out than in. What you reveal, you heal. Express yourself. Express your life. Express the moment. Live the life. Music expresses. You express yourself with music. One of the best ways to express yourself is the way you dress. Don't be afraid to express yourself through fashion. The more room you give yourself to express your true thoughts and feelings, the more room there is for your wisdom to emerge. Find yourself and express yourself in your own particular way. Express your love openly. Deliver your message with simplicity and see how powerful impact it has on the audience. Every artist dips his brush in his own soul and paints his own nature into his pictures. Live life as though nobody is watching and express yourself as though everyone is listening. To express yourself needs a reason, but expressing yourself is the reason. I want freedom for the full expression of my personality. You can laugh, you can cry, you can express yourself, but please don't hurt each other. What you do is what matters, not what you think or say or plan. After all, work is the primary vehicle for most people to express themselves in the world. People forget how fast you did a job, but they remember how well you did it. To write well, express yourself like the common people, but think like a wise man. Your surroundings, home, personal care, pets, clothing, and body are all reflections of how you see and express yourself. Do these reflect your true self? The only way to achieve true success is to express yourself completely in service to society. My mother said to me, if you become a soldier, you will be a general. If you become a monk, you will end up as the Pope. Instead, I became a painter and wound up as Picasso. Hope you like the content. Please share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Your comments and suggestions are welcome. Have a great day ahead. Good luck to you.